Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use a PS4 controller on your Steam Deck. First, make sure your PS4 controller has enough battery life for uninterrupted gaming. To begin the pairing process, simultaneously press and hold the PlayStation button and the share button on your controller until the light bar starts flashing rapidly. This indicates it's in pairing mode, ready to be discovered by your Steam Deck. Now, let's move to your Steam Deck settings. Once your PS4 controller is in pairing mode, grab your Steam Deck. Press the Quick Access menu button, which is the one with 3 dots, located on the right side. From there, select the Bluetooth icon. You should see Wireless Controller or DualShock 4 appear in the list of available devices. Simply select it to initiate and complete the pairing. The light bar on your PS4 controller will turn solid blue once connected. After successful pairing, you might want to customize your controller's layout. On your Steam Deck, navigate to Steam's Big Picture mode. From there, you can access the controller settings for any game. You have the flexibility to create a brand new profile or load an existing one. This allows you to precisely map each button and joystick input to your liking, ensuring a comfortable and personalized gaming experience. Don't forget to save your changes. Should you encounter any connection difficulties, a simple restart of both your PS4 controller and Steam Deck often resolves the issue. Always ensure your Steam Deck's operating system is updated to the latest version for best compatibility. For a stable, zero-latency connection, you can always connect your PS4 controller directly using a USB-C to micro USB cable. Remember to keep your controller within a range of about 10 meters for optimal wireless performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.